Ever wonder why MrBeast's videos get millions of clicks within minutes? It's not just the content, it's those eye-catching thumbnails. Stick around and I'll show you how to create thumbnails that can turn your channel into a click magnet too.
Tell them what you invest per thumbnail.
Yeah, well, we probably spend around $5,000 to $10,000 a thumbnail, just making sure we get the right.
MrBeast, one of the biggest YouTubers who averages over 100 million views per video, spends thousands of dollars perfecting his thumbnails. Recently, he revealed that he spends anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000 per thumbnail, and even creates nearly 20 thumbnails per video before choosing the perfect one. You might wonder, why is he so obsessed with thumbnails? The answer is simple. You could have the best video on YouTube, but if your thumbnail isn't enticing, no one will click on it. A bad thumbnail means fewer clicks, lower click-through rates, CTR, and ultimately, fewer views. Despite this, many creators struggle to make good thumbnails, significantly reducing their CTR. Welcome to the YouTube Thumbnail Masterclass. In this video, I'll cover 1. The design aspects of creating thumbnails. 2. The power of colors and consistency. 3. The storytelling aspects, explaining what makes thumbnails go viral. It's going to be fun and super insightful. Let's dive in. Thumbnail design. When designing a thumbnail, the first thing to focus on is prioritizing the subject of the video. Identify the focal point of your video and ensure it dominates the thumbnail. For instance, in a smartphone review video, the phone itself should occupy most of the space, rather than text or other elements. If you're using your face in thumbnails, ensure it takes up about 1/3 of the frame, leaving the remaining 2/3 for supporting elements, images, or text related to the video. Now, let's talk about text and fonts. Text can make or break your thumbnail. Use fewer words but make them bigger and bolder so they're easily readable. Highlight power words with larger font sizes for emphasis. When choosing a font, prioritize readability. Avoid overly fancy fonts that take time to decipher. Your font also conveys the emotion of the thumbnail. Choose bold fonts for fitness-related content or modern sans serif fonts for a clean and fun vibe. Serif fonts, which have strokes at the end of letters, give a formal and classy look, while sans serif fonts offer a modern and simple appearance. Choose fonts that align with your channel's tone. In this video, I'll reveal the name of a website where you can download the best fonts for free. But before that, let's dive into the world of colors. The power of colors and consistency. Colors play a significant role in catching viewers' attention. Bright, vibrant colors often stand out against YouTube's busy interface. Use complementary colors, those opposite on the color wheel, like red and green or yellow and purple, for visually striking combinations. If not complementary, at least use contrasting colors, dark backgrounds with light text or vice versa. Consistency is key for building brand recognition. Channels with consistent thumbnails appear more cohesive and professional. To achieve this, stick to the same fonts, color themes, and overall style across your videos. For example, I use a combination of black, green, and red for my designs, paired with white fonts to create a cohesive, striking, and instantly recognizable look. Beyond design, telling a story. The difference between a good and a great thumbnail lies in storytelling. A good thumbnail informs viewers about the video. A great thumbnail creates curiosity and compels them to click. For instance, Missa Who's the Boss's video titled What You Didn't Know About Xiaomi uses a thumbnail showing both Xiaomi and Apple logos, sparking intrigue about the connection between the two brands. Your title and thumbnail should work together to tell a story. Avoid repeating the same information. Instead, use your thumbnail to add an element of mystery, surprise, or excitement. As promised, let me share a fantastic resource for free, high-quality fonts. Head over to websites like dayfont.com to explore an incredible collection of fonts for your designs. Learn how to create thumbnails on your smartphone. Most YouTubers showcase just one thumbnail step by step. If I were to do the same, you'd only be able to copy that example. Instead, I'll teach you the essential principles of thumbnail creation so you can design thumbnails for any niche and any topic with ease. Now let's learn how to create a high-quality, attractive, and clickable thumbnail right on our smartphone. We can use apps like Pixel, PixArt, and Canva. My personal favorite is Canva because of its simplicity and extensive features. While I'll demonstrate this on a laptop, you can easily follow the same steps on your mobile device. Here's how you can use Canva to create an eye-catching thumbnail. Start by opening Canva and selecting the thumbnail design option, which automatically sets the image size to 1280 by 720 pixels. Next, choose a background color or create a gradient. like red and black. While you can use any colors you prefer, it's best to opt for complementary colors for a more appealing design. To upload images, click on the Upload option and add your photos or PNGs, such as a picture of yourself or a product, and position them strategically to enhance your design. For text, select the Text tool, which provides numerous customization options. Keep your text simple, attractive, and easy to read to grab viewers' attention. Canva offers an array of features, but explaining everything in this video would take too long. If you'd like a dedicated video on Canva, let me know in the comments, and I'll make one. Although I'm using the paid version of Canva, the free version is more than enough to create stunning thumbnails. A well-designed thumbnail is more than just an image, it's a gateway to your content. Remember, focus on your subject, use eye-catching colors, keep your fonts readable, and tell a compelling story. With these tips and tools, you're ready to create thumbnails that not only stand out, but also drive clicks. Happy creating, and let's make those thumbnails go viral.